Hello all. Today we'll learn about the pointers and references. We'll begin with the topic pointers. So a pointer is a variable that stores the memory address as its value. And we can get the address by using the AND operator. A pointer variable, it points to the data type of the same type and is created with the star operator. So this is the syntax for creating a pointer. Okay. We'll learn about the references now. So a reference is an alias to an existing variable. So once the reference is declared, it can be used in the same way as the original variable. The advantage is it allows you to avoid copying large objects, which can be expensive in terms of memory and time. And it's an alternate name for the variable and is used for signifying the address of a variable or any memory. The variables can be accessed by either name or by the reference variable. So this is the difference between the pointers and the references. So once the reference is initialized, it cannot be made to refer to another variable, but a pointer can be reassigned to other variable. And the second one is that a reference must be initialized when it is declared, but a pointer can be declared without any initialization. A reference cannot be null, but a pointer can be null. Okay, now we'll learn about the pointers. Hash include string using namespace std int name. Now I'm going to declare a integer pointer. Int pointer and an integer variable, assigning it with the value 5. Okay. Now let me point the pointer variable to the address of the integer variable. Okay. So this is the procedure. And now I'm going to print the value for the value stored in the pointer. So what will be the answer? Yes, it must be 5. Okay. Let me check. Now I'm saving it as pointer.cpp. Okay, now let me compile it. G++ pointer.cpp. Oh, pointer. Okay, now we'll execute it. See, I have got the answer as 5, which was stored inside the pointer variable. Hope you are all clear with the concept of pointer, and I'll meet you all in the next video. Thank you.